Introducing the even more capable Rosemount 3051 pressure transmitters. The all-new transmitter display features a high-contrast graphical and backlit screen for easy operation in all lighting conditions. It's ready to communicate in 8 different languages, and visual icons give better insight into transmitter status for a more intuitive experience. Bluetooth wireless connectivity. Discover a far simpler process to perform maintenance and service tasks without the need for a physical connection or separate configuration tool. A few simple inputs with included password protection will get you up and running fast. Improve personnel safety and increase efficiency. No need to remove housing covers, no climbing tanks or scaffolding. It's like a remote display in the palm of your hand. And the free AMS Device Configurator app identifies devices needing attention for faster troubleshooting and diagnosing without the effort of getting a hot work permit. The user interface is updated, so the information you need is always at your fingertips. A common look and feel across hosts and tools provides an identical experience, regardless of how you are accessing the device. Regular verifications, calibrations, and safety-proof tests are simple and easy, with built-in, device-led instructions, which guide you through each process. A record of your work is saved within the transmitter for future reference of what was completed and when. Your pressure transmitter now includes capabilities that have historically been limited to flow meters and level devices. You can easily configure the device to measure flow rate as well as track totalized flow. Level measurements have been made simple with a built-in configurator to guide you through setting up level output. Volume measurements are also possible for common tank styles or even customized tanks that require a strapping table. Identify issues with 3051 diagnostics. The Loop Integrity Diagnostic continuously monitors the electrical loop to detect issues that affect the communication signal and will alert you to corrosion, water in the housing, or an unstable power supply. Impulse piping can be susceptible to plugging from material buildup or freezing, which isolates the transmitter from the process and therefore is unable to respond to process changes. The 3051 continuously monitors for plugged impulse lines and alerts you to abnormal conditions, so you can take proactive measures before it affects the quality of the process. Diagnostic events are tracked in the built-in diagnostic log, so you can always see a history of the device status. This allows you to diagnose intermittent issues that might not be occurring when you are connected to the device. With powerful new technologies, more intelligent design, and easy-to-use features, Rosemount 3051 pressure transmitters help you keep up with your day. For more information, visit emerson.com/Rosemount3051. Commonly, differential pressure transmitters are used to measure flow through the square root relationship. Historically, this method has been cumbersome and prone to configuration error. Flow-specific configuration provides an easy way to set the device up to output flow rate or flow rate with totalized flow. The transmitter can be configured for a flow application using any hard host, such as AMS Device Manager, AMS Trex, or the AMS Device Configurator app with Bluetooth connectivity. Always consult product documentation and your site-specific safety protocols prior to configuration. Once connected to the transmitter, navigate to the Device Settings menu. Select Output, then Flow. First, enter your desired flow units. Next, set your reference flow rate in the entered flow rate box. Then, set the pressure value that is associated with the entered flow rate. This correlation will be maintained over the full flow range based on the square root relationship. Low flow cutoff is defaulted to on to prevent problems caused by process noise in low flow conditions. Damping can be adjusted on this screen as well. Select Save to implement configuration. Once flow is implemented, you can optionally configure the totalizer from the Totalizer menu. To finish configuration, the flow rate and/or totalizer should be set as output variables. To set one as the primary variable, navigate to the Analog Output menu and change the primary variable within PV Setup. Additionally, either variable can be configured to show on the display via the Display menu. For more information, visit our website emerson.com/rosemount3051. Rosemount pressure transmitters are highly accurate devices used to measure pressure, level, and flow. Their new graphical displays are larger and easier to read, with more actionable information on screen. The all-new transmitter display features a high-contrast graphical and backlit screen for easy operation in all lighting conditions. And now, with advanced display information like warning and error messages, you'll see more actionable information on screen. It's ready to communicate in 8 different languages, and visual icons give better insight into transmitter status for a more intuitive experience. Quick service buttons give fast access to common user settings, such as view configuration, zero trim, set range points, perform loop tests, or flip the display. Discover a far simpler process to perform maintenance and service tasks without needing a physical connection or separate configuration tool using Bluetooth connectivity. It's like a remote display in the palm of your hand. Emerson, innovating to make your work easier, safer, and business more profitable. For more information, visit emerson.com/rosemount3051.